This is my 60-year-old Delta table saw. Just built a new sled for it. The only problem is now I don't have enough blade height to cut through a 2x4. So I want to see if I can modify it or somehow get a larger blade in there. I was at Lowe's the other day. I noticed they had 8 1/4 inch blades and 8 1/2 inch blades. Now I want to see if I can get one of those inside there. Okay, upon looking inside the saw, you can see that there's room here on either side for a larger blade. It looks a little tight down here in the bottom. Looks a little tight down here. Now all that is a web that separates the dust chute there from the actual dust port, which is down underneath. So it looks like we might be able to get a larger blade in there. I'll have to make a little jig set on there and see if it's possible. Alright, got the saw blade off now. I made a little jig here. This is 4 1/4 inches radius, and it does clear where the plate fits on, but it does not clear that little web down there. Almost, pretty close. Let's put the other end on. Okay, this is 4 1/8 radius, and it just clears that web down there. So it looks like we may be able to get a 8 1/4 inch blade. And I think if I could get in there and grind that webbing down, this part right here, open it up, I think I can get an 8 1/2 inch blade in there. I got no problem with these. There's enough clearance there. So I'll have to see if I can grind that back. Okay, after about 10 minutes of hacking away on it with my handy dandy little hacksaw, after getting out my handy dandy Dremel type tool with the cutoff wheel, we're making progress now. Now I've got it all cut out. Got the jig in there. Have plenty of clearance. Plenty of side clearance. So I would say we're good to go. Alright, completed. Now I have the 8 1/2 inch blade in. The clearance down inside right here. You have clearance. And now I had to take a little bit off these tabs here. And here. The blade's in there, rotating freely. clearance there. And job complete. Hope you like it. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.